Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live and work. It is making our lives easier and businesses more efficient. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that you should use now. We will go through each tool in detail and explain how they can be used and where to get them. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework created by Google. It is one of the most popular AI tools used today. It is used for a variety of applications such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. TensorFlow has a large and active community, which means that there are plenty of resources available online to help you learn and use it. You can download TensorFlow for free from their website. Keras. Keras is another popular open-source machine learning framework that is easy to use and beginner-friendly. It is built on top of TensorFlow and provides a high-level API that allows you to build and train machine learning models quickly. Keras is widely used in the industry and has a vast community. It is also free to use and can be downloaded from their website. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a powerful AI tool that offers a range of services, including natural language processing, speech recognition, and image recognition. It is widely used in the industry and has been used by companies like Slack and BMW. IBM Watson is a paid service, and the pricing varies depending on the service you require. Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a conversational AI platform that allows you to build chatbots, voice assistants, and other conversational interfaces. It is easy to use and requires no coding knowledge. Dialogflow has a free plan that allows you to build and test your bot, but to use it in production, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Dialogflow is available on their website. H2O.ai. H2O.ai is an open-source machine learning platform that is designed for big data. It allows you to build and deploy machine learning models at scale. H2O.ai is widely used in the industry and has been used by companies like PayPal and eBay. It is free to use and can be downloaded from their website. In conclusion, these are the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that you should use now. TensorFlow and Keras are great for building machine learning models, IBM Watson for more complex AI projects, Dialogflow for building chatbots and conversational interfaces, and H2O.ai for big data machine learning projects. These tools are widely used in the industry and have large communities that can help you learn and use them.